This is Agile in 3 minutes. How much is under your control? When we want to help bring about an outcome, we often look for knobs we can turn. But if we don't understand what makes our software development machine tick, then fiddling with the controls is liable to gum up the works. One effect of turning a knob is to send a message about what's important to us. For instance, when we say, "We'd prefer that you be less careful if it means you'll get more done," our message frames a dichotomy between quality and speed. If that dichotomy turns out to be false, then we've not only undermined our message by framing it poorly, but also directly damaged our chances of getting what we want. We'll come to wish that knob had been marked "Do Not Touch." In complex adaptive systems, controls may or may not do what we expect. We can't always isolate causes and effects, let alone reapply them. We may not know which were the active ingredients, let alone whether they're fully mixed in this time. Besides every context being unaccountably different, every difference is unaccountably contextual. Some differences visibly influence the outcome, some don't. Maybe that's because they invisibly influence the outcome. Some of the causes and effects we can't isolate are the ones in which unseen differences of context turn out to have mattered. We can't always see that. If we need to feel in control in order to make decisions, then we'd better ignore these frightening epicycles. But if we can turn the knob to prefer feeling less in control, if it means we'll make more effective decisions, then we can better maintain situational awareness and make judicious moves. When we take on a project and try to control for anything that could change the plan, we won't want to hear about something new that's needed, or something done that's not needed. We may harbor illusions of control over what we're going to do, when we'll be done, and which other priorities will compete for our attention. But we can't know, and we can't know. Along the way, we can't control what happens to us or how we feel about it. We can control how we'd like to feel about it next time, and what we'll do about it. Agility means that despite not knowing which options we'll need, our care and discipline frequently keep good enough ones within reach. We keep intruding hands away from the knobs on our software development machine and do the upkeep for it to run smoothly and predictably. That way, when the context inevitably shifts, we fully control our next move. This has been Amitai delivering an increment of Agile in 3 minutes, the simplest podcast that could possibly work.